Hey buddies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Tory Burch T Monogram Espadrille slides. Say that 3 times fast. Oh my gosh. Alright, so if you watched my T Monogram bag unboxing, you would have noticed that I mentioned that I wanted to get these particular shoes that matched the bag. Unbeknownst to me, my husband had already purchased the shoes because I went on the website, my size was sold out. I guess he's the one who bought the last pair of the size. This was supposed to be a part of my anniversary gift and it came late, but I love it just the same. I actually already wore it out because I was too excited. I wore the bag and the shoes together and it was just too cute. But I tried to wrap everything back together as best as possible so that I could do this unboxing for you. So of course it comes in this big brown box via USPS. Is USPS, right? Yes, via USPS. That's her there. I love that there is no tape or any type of markings on there to identify that it's from Tory Burch. So again, if the mailman leaves it at the door or whatever, nobody passing by is going to know what it is and try to steal it, right? So you open it up and the first thing that I saw was the packing list, and it is a T Monogram Espadrille slide, my size, the quantity, and gift wrap was selected. The price isn't on there, but I think it was $98 for it. Right? It was $98? Want more? Like $125? Yeah. Alright, I knew it was something around there. Was that plus tax or including tax?
Excluding.
Okay, so $125 plus tax, right? For these. And I got it in the same color as the bag, which is the hazelnut. That's what it's called. So he put a little card in there. I'm gonna read what it says. The card comes with the Tory Burch emblem on the front. If she would focus, that would be great. I'm too close to it, I think. No? Alright, so you're not gonna see it. But it has the Tory Burch logo on the front, and it says, "Hero, babe, I love you and cannot be without you. Thank you for the 11 years now together and waiting to for 100 more years. P.S. I'm sorry for the late delivery. It was COVID-19's fault." Thank you, babes. When you purchase yours is not gonna have the exact card like I had because that was, you know, from babes. So inside of it, again, if you have the paper, it comes with a little tag, a little thank you card from Tory. You open her up, and again, it comes in this like lunch bag type of bag. That's it there. Super pretty, super cute with the Tory Burch logo, Tory Burch on the front. It is Velcro right here. Again, one more time for the packaging, because babes, the packaging, everything, right? You open it up, that's the inside there. The box, the shoe box matches the packaging. Of course, I'm going to keep this bag. I don't know what I'm going to put in this bag, if I should ever give somebody something, because if all her things come in a bag, like what, I don't even know. Anyways, so the top of the shoebox has the Tory Burch logo and the name Tory Burch. It comes with a little plastic thingy around it just to keep it nice and secure. Let me fix my hair. Alright, so we take off that. Again, I tried to package it as best as possible, but you know, it just never, you know. But the tissue paper has the Tory Burch logo on there. These are the shoes. If I remember correctly, they did come in these individual plastic bags, so it doesn't have individual dust bags like the Gucci slides did, but these are still, you know, it does what it's supposed to do. So you take them out, and like I said, I did wear it already. It's dirty on the bottom. But you take them out, it has tissue on the inside. It's going to come with tissue on the inside. You take it out. I really want to try these on for you, but my toes, babes, I cannot. Ugh. No, I cannot do that to you. They are definitely true to size. I am a size 9, and these are a size 9, not a 9.5, right? Yeah, it's a 9 medium width. It has the canvas material on the top or upside part there. You have the Monogram logo here. You have the gorgeous hazelnut color, Tory Burch on the inside with a little logo in the back, and it does fit true to size. When I first put them on, like as soon as I took it out of the box and put it on my foot, right across here was a little bit uncomfortable, but after a while, it was nothing. Across here, at the top here is all canvas, and then the trim is like a leather type material. The soles on the bottom, it's like a very soft, almost velvet. I don't even want to say velvet, but it's a very, very soft material. There's a very, 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 very slight heel on the bottom there, like probably 0.25 inches right there. But like I said, it has the espadrille look in the top and in the front. Super cute. I love it so much. Definitely, I would say 9 out of 10 would recommend, only because of the initial discomfort in the beginning, but wearing it for like a couple hours or so, it feels like nothing. It's super cute, goes perfectly with my purse. Would definitely recommend. If you have a pair for yourself, let me know in the comment section below. If you're thinking about guessing it, let me know in the comment section below. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, to comment in the comment section below. Subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.